legacy external devices are like that. Like if you have a tape drive, you'll plug it into this cable too. All right. These ones are called the mini. Is it mini Multilex?
Berg.
A mini Berg, yeah.
Nah, just Berg, I think.
And these are just Berg.
No. These are Molex.
Yeah.
The little ones are Berg.
All right. So that's basically the connectors here. So if he asks you, he's not gonna. He's gonna ask us things about the actual hardware. The software, he's not gonna ask you guys. If he wants to ask BSD questions, he'll ask me.
Okay.
He might ask some really basic stuff, I think.
He won't. He won't ask it. BSD is so far beyond.
No, I mean about
the entire BTEC program.
Yeah, but
not
about Windows.
just this class, right?
Well, there's no Windows.
He's not
We
going to
don't
ask you
have
about
on
Windows.
ours, so.
Just
You don't even have to know about Windows. Windows is so self.
Hey, he asked us about that registry. That registry.
That's because he was thinking he had a class of geeks. I asked him about that, and he's like, "Yeah, you're the only one that got it." I'm like, "Oh."
Yeah.
I knew that. I knew there was 5, and I just couldn't remember 2 or 3 of them. I remembered half of them, but I forgot because there's only 3 you ever really. You don't use them all the time. But if you have edited a few times,
See, this
you
is
never
like one of
use
the
them all.
cheapy
The only
cables.
one you really even ever edit.
You
is
can
just
see
HDMI
how
on the
it's
machine,
not.
And that's the only one I can remember.
There's no.
There's user config. or
What is it the
config.
mic is connected to up here?
That's the power.
Yeah, okay.
It's always power on the drive. But again, you're only going to find that in like CD-ROMs now, because the rest of it is all the SATA connection.
Even most CD-ROMs are SATA now.
Are they? I don't
Yeah.
know.
They're the same price. I bought one. It was between the ATA one or the SATA. Same price. The only reason they have it is for older machines. So you always should buy SATA. The SATA, or if you have the space.
If you've got legacy hardware, either in the motherboard
Oh,
or
that's
the
right.
drive, you can also get a bridge.
And you get adapters that go on the back of drives too
Damn it.
to run SATA.
Yeah. There's no real reason to get.
You only have to go legacy if you're running something like OpenBSD or something. Then it's a concern. But if you're running generally the newer Windows and you don't venture, you just grab the newer stuff and a newer version of